Hello everyone, welcome to Bukky's Kitchen. Hope you all are well. So today I'm going to be showing you how I cook this very delicious looking party jollof rice. If you would like to know how I prepared this sumptuous and tasty looking dish, do kindly stay tuned. Okay, to jump right in, for this particular jollof rice recipe, you would need 6 bell peppers, 2 Scotch bonnets, 2 garlic cloves, 3 bay leaves. You would need some red onions. So I've got there 3 red onions, tomato puree, curry powder, thyme, smoked paprika, chicken stock, Knorr aromat, that's also some seasoning as well. You would also need some sunflower oil, or you could use vegetable oil, some salt to taste, some long grain rice. You would need about 3 to 4 cups of long grain rice, and also a tin of chopped tomatoes. Okay, so the next thing is to blend the peppers. Now in the blender goes the bell peppers, the Scotch bonnet, the 2 garlic cloves, 2 whole red onions, and the tinned chopped tomatoes. All that should be blended to a very fine, smooth consistency and then set aside for later use. Okay, so I'm about to start to cook the jollof rice, and what I'm doing here is just slicing very thinly the red onions. Now the next thing will be to pour about 200 to 250 mils of your vegetable oil or sunflower oil into a hot pan, and then add your sliced or diced onions into the hot oil and just fry or saute until golden brown. Now the whole idea of frying the onions is just to give that beautiful aroma and flavor to your jollof rice. You have to keep stirring though, so that the onions don't actually burn. Now after you've done this for a bit, next thing will be to add about 2 to 3 tablespoonful of your tomato puree. Now this needs to be fried and stirred until it gives you a rich brick red color, but you need to keep stirring so it doesn't burn as well. You can just do this for about 5 to 7 minutes and just allow to fry. Now once you've done that, the next thing will be to tip in your blended peppers and then allow to cook for a bit. Right, so the sauce has been cooking for about 10 minutes or thereabout. The next thing to do is to tip in the washed rice followed by the chicken stock. Now, jollof rice requires very little water, really, not so much. And the chicken stock I'm using to cook this particular jollof rice is adequate to cook the jollof rice until it is done. Now, we tend to cook jollof rice on very low temperature, and also to cover with a foil paper. Now, the whole idea of actually covering it with foil paper is to help to trap the heat inside the pot or the pan, so it helps to cook the jollof rice until it is actually cooked or done. And that is all it requires. Very little water, and your jollof rice will come out pretty fine. However, though, from time to time you need to stir, and just to check that it's not burning at the bottom of the pan. So just keep an eye on that. Try and check it from time to time just to make sure that it's not burning. However, though, if you require a bit of water, more water in the jollof rice, just add a little bit more water to the jollof rice, cover it again on very low heat, allow it to cook. Okay, so at this stage, I'm just going to check the jollof rice to see whether it requires a little bit of water, and to stir it as well, just to make sure it's not burning. As you can see, it's still got quite a bit of sauce in it, and it doesn't require water at all. I'm just going to continue to stir it for a bit, and then cover it and allow it to continue to cook for another 10 minutes or 12 minutes until it is almost cooked. Right, so as you can see, the jollof rice is cooked. However, though, I always like to add a plop of butter to my jollof rice. It just helps to enhance the flavor, moisture, and just gives it that special shine. So I'll just allow the butter to melt into the jollof rice. I'll cover it for a bit, and then allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes or thereabout, and it is ready to be served. So guys, there you have it, your sumptuous looking Nigerian Party Jollof Rice. Do kindly give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.